Hey, what's up YouTube? I've got some inquiries about how did the rubber paint perform after 1 month of application. So initially I also had the idea to do a I wouldn't really call it a long-term review, but it's more of like a after 1 month kind of review of the rubber paint that I've applied onto the front grille, the back emblem of the Perodua Ativa. So, well, definitely I've been driving the car quite often over the past month after I applied the Aeropak Rubber Paint, which I purchased from Mr. DIY. I've been back to Penang to see my dad during the Deepavali weekend. The car has been cruising on highway in city. So far the rubber paint has been holding up pretty well. There's no tearing off or peeling off from what I can see so far from the front and back. It looks okay. My friends, they thought I sprayed the entire thing, but it was just the top chrome bar, the middle chrome bar, and the Perodua emblem itself. The only part that I would say it's a bit imperfect, I think that is because during my initial spraying process I kind of missed out a bit on the T emblem, whereby you will be able to see there's a little scuff on the top left corner of the T emblem at the back. Apart from that, everything still looks fine after a month plus. I don't know what will happen after the second month, the third month, or even 6 months, you know. We will see, and I think I will keep you guys posted should the paint start to peel off, or should I need to, you know, repaint or respray. At least we know, right, what's the durability of the Aeropak rubber paint. But so far after 1 month, I think it's fine. It looks almost like just the day after I painted. For those of you that have sharp eyes, yeah, I didn't wash the car before I record this video, so you may see a bit of watermark, water stains or so on the rubber paint, but so far no peeling off. I guess that's all from me today. A very short review of the Aeropak rubber paint after 1 month usage, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.